What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? How's everybody making out today? Well, it's 9:34 here, Sunday morning. I was going through some things here, trying to show some content that don't get showed very often and that people don't see every day. And it gets hard, you know what I mean? Because once you get into these videos, there's only so many knives that you have in your collection and that you can show. And things start to get a little stale. But I got these Zippo trappers here. I collected these quite a few years ago when these came out, and I figured I'd show them because they are really neat pieces. I think they're very, very interesting. They're very cool. So I figured I'd give you a look at them and give myself a look at them too, because they haven't been out in a while. So let's take a look at these. These were Zippo bought out case cutlery. And these Zippo, they made, let me see if I could get this to focus just a little bit. Zippo came out with a trapper, a single-bladed trapper. And I just think it's just a really, really nice piece. They did these really, really well. The fit and finish on these came out quite well. I'm satisfied with the construction of these, and I just figured I'd give you a look at these. You can see that back spring there. That back spring's tight. Now that's the way we like it. So, got the pile side there with that beautiful natural bone on this one. I like these single blade trappers. I really do. There's something about them. It's just something about these knives that just really draw me in. You could see on the tang there, it's lasered Zippo right in there. You can see that. That's pretty cool. But this knife, the genetics and what makes up this knife is a case. I mean, this is a case, without a doubt, a case knife. And you can see the back of this box when you get the box. It says W.R. Case & Sons Cutlery right there with the address on it and everything. So the back of the box states it and everything. Put Zippo made it. Just give you a look at this blade. And blades are pretty cool, ain't they? They really came out. This set really came out cool. I wish I could have grabbed a couple more. They're still floating around. You could still get these if you look hard enough. They pop up every once in a while. This is one of my favorite woods. This is that burl wood. Look at that wood. Very, very nicely done. That's a nice touch. That's classy. That's classy right there. I love that inlay that reads Zippo. It's just cool, you know what I mean? It's just something different. And I think it's quite neat. I really do. But again, the construction of these are really, really well done. Really well done. Look at that. Look at that back. Look at that pile side. Look how beautiful, beautiful that wood is. And that's something else? Isn't that pretty? That's pretty wood. The snap is real tight on the opening, the closing. Action's really, really good on these. I just love them. I just really, really, really enjoy them. They're nice looking. They're very, very attractive looking knives. Very attractive looking. When these came out, I got a story behind these real quick. When these came out, I was trying to hop all over them. You know what I mean? Because I was so excited for them. Nobody was interested. Nobody was buying them. Nobody really bought them. Look at that chestnut bone. Everybody loves a good chestnut. You just can't beat the color. It's the color that gets you with that chestnut bone. Look how pretty that looks on that trapper. Up against that inlay, it's at Reed Zippo. You got these bolsters here. That's a pretty knife. That's a pretty one. It's about my favorite one here. Then you pop the blade. Real nice tight snap on it. Then you got that blade. I really like these. I really, really like them. They're nice and they're very, very, very nice knives. See where it reads Zippo in there? You gotta feel that action. Real nice and smooth, man. Smooth. You know, something else that I like, it's this black, I forget what they call this, fuddy. I think fuddy, black fuddy or something like that. But I really like this jigging on this black. It really looks nice. I enjoy this one as well. I enjoy looking at this one. I like that. I just like black. You know what I mean? Something about black. You know, I just like it. If I had my choice to get a car right now or something, I'd get a black car. I just like it. I love the color black. Look how pretty that looks against these bolsters. The file side. That's a pretty looking knife. Yep. And we got one more to take a look at here. And this is the patriotic. This is the patriotic one with the synthetic covers. These covers are pretty cool, huh? Look at the colorization going through them. Look at that. Pretty neat looking little piece. Nothing like a trapper. Really enjoy these. And they come in a nice box here. They come in a nice box. And the fit and finish on every one of them were good on mine. Really good. Fits in your hand real nice. It's a full-size knife, guys. It's a full-size knife. Nice piece. Look at that blade, how nice that blade is. That's a nice looking blade. But anyway, that's going to wrap it up. That is going to wrap it up for today. I just figured I'd break out some things that maybe some people haven't really seen. All right. Well, I'm going to let you guys get down the road. Hope you enjoy your day. Hope you get out there and do something exciting and fun today. You be good, be well, and be safe out there. And I'll catch you on the next one. All right. You take care now. See you later.